Hello everyone. In this video, we will discuss about some predefined check which is used by some company, okay, in part level. So you can see in this I have used to environment, then I go for the profile, then in profile I have selected some checks. Okay, now the first check is fit all in. Okay, what do you mean by this check? Fit all in. If you are using this check, then if your view is not fit to your screen, then it will automatically fit to your screen. Here, you can give the priority label, error, warning, KO, or interrupt condition. So, as it a basic check, so you can go with the error. If it is not here fit to the screen, it will show you error. And if you want to check on that while fit all in the check model, it will reframe the part also, and the part should be the reframe part. You can select to part body or current work object. So let's keep with part body. Okay, now second one is non-standard feature. Okay, basically in non-standard feature, you can set the non-standard feature like um, here like body it is my non-standard feature. You can see I will check on, there is no selection, select, unselect. Okay, let I will check that body will be my non-standard feature. Part body should be my non-standard feature. Okay, so just on in. Then next one is part and product should be updated. So whenever you will check the part and product, this check, if this check is there, then it will automatically update the product, or you can go with the healing option. That is the, if it is not updated, the part or product is not updated, then it will show ask you to update. Okay, now next one is join definition. So in join definition, you can set some merging distance, like here by default the merging distance is 0.001 mm. Okay, minimum and maximum. Our angular thread is 0.5. It is not satisfy this condition. If it is not there, then it will show you the error. The next one is non-allowed parent-child relationship. Okay, you can see I have selected all these things. Means list type of a child, means this add assembly should be add assembly, auto draft, auto fillet. So all should be used as a child element. Okay, so uh, and whatever the thing you want does not want to for parent element, you can select that order. So let uh, in case you, but with the reference of a pad, if you want to create any part, then it will show you the error, because this parent element should not be pad. Okay, now the next one is draft definition. You can see the draft definition. So here some CAE feature pulling direction. One is line, plane, axis system. So you can delete this option, and here it is not, if it is not, the pulling direction is not satisfying this condition, then it will show you the error. Then open in body. Okay, if anything in a body it is open any open body is available, then it will show you the error. Then next one is non-allow isolated external reference set. Non-allow. So if the external reference set is empty, Okay, then it will show you the error. Then working work object. So basically whenever we are working, it will show the last feature will be as a work object. If you want to set this work object should be part in work set work object to part body. Whenever you will open the part or model, it will set as work object as a part body, then you can set this option also. Now publish element name. So you can see, so whatever the publish element, if you are working in any publish element, and if it is any other name, you can set replace to kgp. Here I have set to kgp, or you can select any, you can write any of the name which you want to publish. Then published name must be matched with the publish element name. Let your part body you want to publish, your part body you want to publish. Okay, and in the publish element you set as any different name, then it will show you the error. If you publish the part body, then your publish name should be part body. If you publish part body 3, your published name should be body 3. Then material assign is allowed for the elements type. So material allowed. So here I apply the element types is root part. In the root part only the material should be assigned. And here the next one is material assign must be element type. Okay, so here also, here you can see I have not setted anything. So element type. So material assign must be exist for a element type. So first one is root product, and second one I am not selected anything. Then permitted element type. So the my permitted element type is here all. Okay, my permitted element type is all, means all need to be so. And here axis system reference plane should be check off. So without this means this is not allow it. If it is there, it will show you some option set to no so. Okay, then permitted element type so. Okay, the permitted element type so is all except this axis system reference plane. Okay, just save it. Now comes to the design. Open. I'm going to here. Okay, now we'll check all these thing in this model. Okay, my environment type is user HMCL, provide profile is part 3. Just of that you can see non allowed child parent child relationship. Okay, you can see here the draft non allowed price. So this draft is, you can see this draft is created on pad. Okay, that's why it is, and sketch 2 also created in pad. Okay, so there is no healing process, that's why it is showing the error. If I will go with change that to element type, allowed element type pad, then it will show you, it won't say the error. Then deactivated feature, any deactivated feature is there? Yes, this deactivate feature is there. You can see you can activate, or you can go with it deactivate, delete this product. Okay, now non-standard feature name. So non-standard feature name, so as I said, non-standard feature name, as I said here, non-standard feature name, like here we can ignore all these things. Okay, and part body. The part body has a non-standard feature name. So you can see in this the non-standard feature name is all. You can see number of error. These are the non-standard feature name we identify. Now next one is your work object. So as I said, the work object will be part body. You can go with the healing function. You can see the part body which you working with. The next one is draft direction. So dot draft. Dot draft is not controlled the reference element entity. So we can see here in the draft definition align plane axis system. Okay, so I will go to this draft. You can see the pulling direction here. Here it is showing the pulling direction should be controlled by reference. Okay, so if I will change to control by reference, then it will show, it won't show the error. Okay, so just going to check. You can see draft direction is satisfied. Now the next one, fit all in is already there. Material must be assigned in this. Okay, publish name. You can see the publish name as a element main model. Okay, now the next one is join definition. So in join definition, the merging this one is not matched. So I will go to this join definition. You can see here the merging distance is 0.01, but in there the merging distance is 0.01, and you can go with this checks. Now you can see joining definition. Where it is joining definition? uh, Joining destination is performing well. Now next one is published name must be matched with the published element. Okay, so rename, you can go with rename this. This public name, this is the main name now, so it is automatically rename it. Then permitted element type so the permitted element type is all, but axis system is there, so we can go set this as no. So now open in body. Okay, so I will just unhide it. Okay, open in body. In this open, only open profile is there. Okay, you can see in a body I have created a open profile, so it is showing the error. So if I will delete it, then this condition will be satisfied. Now the next one is deactivated picture. So you can see this deactivated picture. Now it is activated. Okay, now open in, there is no nothing, the material assign Metal assign is allowed type is material. Aluminum is not allowed with the assign element. You can see material is not allowed because in the root product only this material need to be attached. Okay, and here, so if I will change this one, this material replacement, if I will delete this material and add in the root product, you can see here the material assigned in the allowed is there. Okay, now here it is non-standard feature. So non-standard feature all. Okay, here I am not set anything non-standard feature. So here if I will add this body, ignore this type of body. So this is one, if any body will come, so this non-standard feature will be, see, this is the non-standard feature material. So according to that, there no material is assigned here. So this is the non-standard feature. So if you want to add here parameter and recheck non non-standard feature will be this material is two times in the model. So if I will delete one of the model, then it will be delete. Now the next one is here non-allowed child. So t draft sketch 1 sketch 2 is a place in this pad, so that it is not allowing this condition. Work object, we need to define the work object. Yes, already defined. Then non-standard feature, number could not be identified. So non-standard means your feature which is not allowing. So you can see here in non-standard name, compare only same type. So same type, if I up, so once I will go with this reperform, non-standard is there. Okay, so rest of the thing has been clear, means material is not now showing, but a non-standard feature is there, like check 3 number could not be identified. Okay, so aluminum number could not be identified. So here I have set some number must be continuous, so I need to of this number. Okay, it expected that this model should be started with the number. Okay, now just check with recheck. The non-standard has been, now it is a standard element. Okay, now open in body, as I said, So in a body, one open body is there, so it is showing the error. And here pad. Hope you got the concept. Now hope you got the concept of this model. Thank you. Jai Jagannath.